In this video, I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP Envi Inspire printer. So the first step is to open this panel on the front. So put your hands on the side and pull this panel towards you. It should come down. Then you're gonna see a handle right there. Glide your finger and push up. Push all the way up until the lid stays in place by itself. It has a small prop here maintaining it. Let's take a look inside. On the right side, you're gonna see your ink cartridges that are installed. The color one, the one with the magenta top, goes on the left. The black one is the one with the black ink, always goes on the right side. To remove them, take your finger and push down on this part of the ink cartridge. Okay, so let me demonstrate. You see, once you push down, the ink cartridge will disengage. And then you just have to lift it, okay, with 2 fingers. So it's extremely easy. Just by pushing down, you unclip it and then you take it away. If you want to put your cartridges back, it's almost the same process. So what you need to do, let me give you a close-up here. You'll take your ink cartridge, simply glide it inside and then just drop it. Next step, take your thumb and push forwards. Okay, like this, and then once more it needs to click in place. Okay, I'll show you with the black ink cartridge. I'll just drop it here and then push forward with my thumb, like that. When you get new ink cartridges, they also have a orange sticker on them. You need to remove that sticker before installing them in your printer. That's very important. But overall, this is it. Once you're done installing them, you just have to close the lid on the top and then close the front panel. And this is it. You'll be able to print in around 10 seconds. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you want to get ink cartridges for your printer, I'll put links to Amazon. By going through them, you support my channel. I get a very, very small commission from Amazon every time somebody purchases anything through them. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.